Hey guys, welcome back to my Divine Timing Tarot. This is going to be another bonus read for the sign of Capricorn for the month of February 2022. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to everybody for your support on here. It's much appreciated. And feel free to drop a comment down below. So this is for Capricorns. What's going on, Spirit, with my Capricorns right now? And what happened in their past? And what will be the predictive outcome for them for the end of February 2022? What happened in my Capricorn's past? What's going on right now, Spirit? And what will be the predictive outcome? Thank you. Take a look into your past, Capricorn. See what happened here in the past. What happened in the past? Give me 3 cards. And right now, what's going on with Capricorns right now? And what is the outcome, Spirit? One more for the outcome. Okay. You guys could be dealing with, I have Libra, and I have all the, Libra and Leo, and all the elements down here on the table. So I feel like in the past, you guys received some sort of clarity or some sort of closure from someone that you were very attracted to, somebody that made you very happy. I feel like whoever this person is that you were dealing with, I feel like you're still dealing with the same person. I feel like I feel like you gained that sort of clarity, that sort of truth that this person has feelings for you, that they are very attracted to you. Right now, I feel like you guys are talking, but I feel as well that you could be feeling a bit confused as to where you stand here. But I feel like something is going to work in your favor. I will clarify in just a moment. As the predictive outcome, I feel like for some reason, this person is not offering you what you want. They're not fully opening up to you. And I feel like you're waiting on them. You're waiting on this offer from them. So let's clarify, guys. First, I want to clarify in the past the Ace of Swords. What's this clarity or this closure that Capricorn received? What's the Ace of Swords, Spirit? One more card. Could have been an Aries as well. So I'm getting two stories here, guys. I feel like you guys received some sort of clarity as to somebody new that came along. But I feel like you also received some sort of clarity from someone previous to this person, that whatever situation you were in before this connection, you gain some sort of clarity that this past person could have been using you or lying to you, and they didn't offer anything. They didn't put any effort into this past connection. They didn't take any sort of control here. Now, I feel like somebody else, and I'm getting it's from your past as well. It's somebody that you know. They came along pretty quick, and they make you very happy. They made you very happy. And I feel like you gained some sort of clarity or in this situation as well, that this person has, this person admires you. This person is attracted to you. Now, right now, I feel like you're dealing with this person, this Page of Wands. This could be a fire. I'm getting fire. I'm getting all the elements here. Fire, water, air, and earth. And I feel like right now, you guys are talking. You guys are coming up with some sort of plan here. Let's see what that is. What's the Three of Pentacles? Yeah, there's some sort of decision here that has to be made. And I feel like you're feeling a bit confused as to what the outcome's going to be between you and this person. But I feel like it's going to work in your favor. Let's clarify the Justice. Could be a Libra or a Leo. What's the Justice, Spirit? What's the Justice? That card wanted to come out. Taurus energy. Yeah, I feel like this person's going to offer you a long-term commitment here. It's going to work in your favor here. I feel like this person is trying to make a decision here. They're really putting in a lot of thought. They're trying to come up with some sort of plan how to execute this here. But I feel like sometime near the end of February, something's going to cause this person to not open up just yet. And I want to see what this Knight of Cups is. Because it seems like the intention is there. They want this to work out between you and them. They want a marriage. They look at you like you bring a lot of value. You're very valuable. And this person has high standards as well. So anyway, let's go back here. So for the predictive outcome, the Knight of Cups. Why is the Knight of Cups in reverse, Spirit? You know, I feel like they're going to feel, they're scared. They're very scared to open up. They're scared that they're going to get their heart broken. They have love for you. They have a lot of feelings for you. But at the same time, they're scared to break their heart. Could be something that's happened to them in their own past. They're afraid to open up here. And you're waiting. Let's see. What's the Three of Wands, Spirit? Give me one more card on the Two of Pentacles, please. I feel like you guys are waiting on this person to really, to open up here. And I feel like you're either going to wait so long for them, or you're going to go and start off on a new journey. You're headed in a new direction. It goes either or. But really, it all falls down to, you know, you're going to be really weighing out the beneficials here. Should I wait? Should I leave? This person is everything that I want. You know, they're your wish fulfillment. But it's like, how long are you going to be waiting? Give me one more card on the Nine of Cups as the outcome, Spirit. You might feel as if there's nothing you can do except to wait or move forward here with your life. You look at this person as if they're your wish fulfillment. You want a long-term commitment, as they do as well, but they're very scared of getting hurt. This person's guarded. They're very guarded. They're scared of opening up here and taking things to the next level. But the intention is there. They want a long-term commitment with you. In general, they want a long-term commitment. They want marriage. They're looking at you as if you are marriage material. So it's really going to have to fall down on whether or not you're going to wait for this person or you're not. You know, you're going to have to really weigh it out. And, you know, at the end of the day, you know how you feel towards this person. And I feel like you look at this person like they're your everything. They're everything that you've been hoping for, wishing for. But at the same time, you have to look out for yourself here. What are you gaining by waiting? Are you wasting your time, or are you not? Are you going to gain something out of this? You know, you're really going to have to go back and forth and weigh out what it is that you want to do. I feel like for some of you as well, very few of you might not want to compromise either. You know, hey, like, yeah, this person makes me very happy. I want to be with them. But at the same time, where is this going? What's in it for me? Am I only going to be waiting here, or are things going to be taken to the next level here? That's what I have for you guys. Hope it resonated, and I'll see you guys again.